Hi guys.
Hi.
So today we are going to do another of the $5 challenges. And what are we making now?
What's the theme? What's the theme?
Jewelry.
Jewelries. So we have $5 to make our own piece of jewelry. Jewelry. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that we are in temporary housing right now. And while we're waiting for our home to be built, which way is the trash?
This way, because we go behind.
Oh, okay. So now we have to get used to living on the 3rd floor and taking out the trash. Living in a new state is crazy because you have to get used to driving to new places. So our challenge today is finding the Dollar Tree without using the GPS. You guys, yes, we remembered. Woohoo! We made it to the Dollar Tree. Duct tape again. We already have the purple. You got one for me? Okay, thanks. Why do you want a mustache?
So I could have mustaches for when I make my necklace or bracelet or whatever.
Is it within your $5 budget?
Yes.
So I just noticed something. We spent the exact same amount as we did last time, $12.96. And we got bonus mustaches.
Yeah, from me.
We're gonna have to wear them.
Mustache. I get 3, Molly gets 3, Mommy gets 1.
1?
Yeah, because they're 7.
Fine. Hey, how do you guys like living in temporary housing?
It's fine.
It's fine? Even though we climb up these stairs every day? So do we have to put them on right now?
Hi guys, how you doing? How you doing?
Oh, it feels weird. Let me do yours. Which one do I have? Villain? Which one's yours?
I have the wise guy.
You did it perfectly. Look, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. You're brushing your mustache?
No. I'm gonna have a mustache for every episode.
I can't take you seriously. Brush it for me.
There you go.
I appreciate it. You making Mia?
A necklace.
Oh, what is it? Oh, you have your name? Oh.
So it's blue, yellow, purple. Blue, yellow, purple.
What are you making, Nala?
A necklace. No, you're not. You're putting tape all over your body.
I made our names. Look. Mike, Dinah, Mia, and Nala. Nala is making googly eye bracelets.
No, you need a monster.
Okay, monster bracelets. Mia, how you doing over there?
I'm doing the second side.
Is that your necklace?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
It's perfect.
Easy. Mia's trying to get her necklace up over her head.
So for mine, I did some of them for this side on my head, and some of them for this side.
Let me guess. Nala made the googly eye barrette. I braided some pieces of duct tape together to make this bracelet. Kind of looks like blue leather.
Can I roll it? That goes down a boat.
Apparently, Nala also decided to use nail polish to make a pretty picture.
So I made this bracelet that has my name on it. This is my necklace. This one has a little eye and a purple A. So blue, yellow, purple. So I made this pink flower clip from Nala's gems last time, and I made a blue one.
Cute.
Then a purple butterfly and a green butterfly.
I love it. I made these bracelets. Woohoo.
Bye.
Did you have fun?
Yeah,
Did you like doing this challenge?
I like my mustache.
Which one did you like better?
The mustache?
No, the challenge.
I like the. I don't know. I like.
I know, we actually spent a lot of time sitting here and making these bracelets, so.
I was the one who wore my mustache the longest.
I feel like the pencil case challenge was the best challenge, but this one we spent like the most time making stuff and sitting down.
This
and
one
making.
was the easiest one.
Yeah, but we had fun, and hopefully we'll make some more.
And next time we do one of these videos, I'm gonna have a different mustache.
Bye!
Bye.